रहे हैं द लाइव न्यूज, सच सबसे आगे। द लाइव न्यूज को सब्सक्राइब करें, साथ में इस बेल आइकन पर भी क्लिक करें।
25-year-old woman who died of snake bite in Kollam district over 2 weeks ago was murdered by her husband, who let a black cobra loose in her room at night, the Kerala police said on Sunday. Preliminary investigation revealed that the husband, P. Suraj, tried killing his wife in March by using the same method, said Kollam Rural Police Superintendent S. Harishankar. S. Utra survived the first snake bite. After preliminary investigation, we found that it was a well-planned crime. He told us he had been planning for over 5 months, Harishankar said. He added that Suraj, 32, wanted to usurp her cold and marry another woman. The police have arrested Suraj, a resident of Adur, and a private bank employee, and Suresh P., a snake catcher who helped him in a crime. The woman's parents filed a police complaint a week after her death, alleging that Suraj and his family members harassed Uttara for dowry. The couple had been married for 2 years and has a son. The police said Suraj bought a cobra from the snake handler after paying him rupees 10,000. He got necessary training from the handler. On May 6, he took it to Uttara's house in Anchal, where she had been undergoing treatment at her parents' place since the first incident. Suraj and the handler were in touch with each other and both made at least 50 calls. After the first attempt failed, he was waiting for an opportunity, Harishankar said. The police said that after Uttara fell asleep, Suraj allegedly took out the snake from the bottle and threw it on her, kept awake all the night to ensure that it did not bite him. He left the room in the morning and started reading a newspaper in the veranda. Uttara's mother found her daughter unconscious in the morning. She was rushed to the hospital, where doctors said she died of a snake bite. Later, when the room was examined, the family member found a cobra, which was killed by Suraj. The couple slept in an air-conditioned room, and it was difficult to believe that he did not notice the snake before, the woman's parents alleged in the police complaint. Uttara's parents alleged that the woman was harassed for dowry and that ornaments were missing from her locker. I was forced to loosen my purse strings on several occasions, but we never thought he will kill my daughter like this, said Vijay Senam, the woman's father. Harishankar said, "We have investigated the case scientifically. It is a strange case. At this juncture, we can't rule out whether more persons were involved. The arrested will be produced in court on Monday." Were missing from her locker. I was forced to loosen my purse strings on several occasions, but we never thought he will kill my daughter like this, said Vijay Senam, the woman's father. Harishankar said, "We have investigated the case scientifically. It is a strange case. At this juncture, we can't rule out whether more persons were involved. The arrested will be produced in court on Monday."
आप देख रहे हैं द लाइव न्यूज, सच सबसे आगे। द लाइव न्यूज को सब्सक्राइब करें, साथ में इस बेल आइकन पर भी